That's a developing story we'll keep you updated on. To other stories making headlines, former Deputy President and DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua now claims the government is planning to grab a section of Imenti forest in Meru County and use it to establish a state lodge and a golf course. Speaking at his Wamunyoro home in Nyeri County, Rigathi Gachagua said if the government does not stop the implementation of the said project, he would mobilize the people of Meru County to hold mass action against the move. He said Imenti Forest serves as an important water catchment area for the Mount Kenya region, and taking an inch from it will cause an irreversible damage.
These leaders have come to me because there is danger of grabbing of 200 acres from Imenti Forest in Meru County to build a state lodge and a golf course. Imenti Forest is a water catchment area that is source of water for 47 springs and all the rivers in Tharaka County, Tharaka Nithi County and Meru County. The destruction of this water catchment area spells doom for the people of the two counties. If this water catchment area is interfered with, livelihoods will be destroyed, and Meru, one of the most productive counties in Kenya, the bread basket of this country. The people of Meru do not need a state lodge. It's a luxury that they are not interested in. The people of Meru do not need a golf course. Yes. Those are luxuries, and they are not a priority for the people of Meru. Yes.